Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Kate here and I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to use someone's code on Temu. So without further ado, let's start. Now if you have a referral code from someone else that you wanna use on Temu and you don't know how to do that, so make sure to watch the video till the end and find out how we can do that. Now on your desktop, open any web browser that you prefer. After that, type temu.com on the URL and search for it. After that, you have to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will see this interface right here. At the top right hand side of your screen, you will see your account. Just hover over there and a dialog box will appear. Now look for option that says coupons and offers. Once you see that, right under your profile option, click on coupons and offer. Now you will be loaded to this page where you can apply your coupon code or your referral code right here where it says enter coupon code. Once you're done with that, simply click on apply and the amount according to your code will be added to your Temu account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.